everybody. Hi, welcome from Puppy Mania. It is Sunday morning, kicking off outfit of the day, what I wear, where you get a lot of puppies, a week of outfits, PA weather, life. So please stick around. If you're new, I'm Laura. This is Loki. I have two more. Let's see. This one is Willie, Mr. Trouble. And then we have one more, the Beagle, who's being behaved at the moment, and that is Dexter. I'm Laura, if I didn't already say that, because now I don't know what I'm doing. Hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. It is Sunday morning. Lots to do today. And it is cloudy, overcast, 62. It's supposed to get up to 68. I'm hoping to get some outside stuff done. I have a video to film for you guys. So that's my day right now. Stop biting. And let's see. For my outfit today, let's send them over that way. I have on, Loki or any of them. They'll just bite whatever skin is available. For my outfit today, I have on a Free People outfit. Free People cutoffs. These are so much fun. They're oversized, which I love, and they have this cute little green belt that comes with them. Paired it with a Free People tank I got in a Stitch Fix, and of course, my favorite flip-flops for all the running around today and puppy chasing, my Sanuks. I love these. This is a plain gold pair. My very, very favorite gold pair with the black bottom, they ate. So, and I can't find them anymore, so apparently they don't make that exact combo anymore. All right, we're going to get this day started, and I will see you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey, everybody. It is Monday already. Time for outfit of the day. The gang is all here except for Harvey, who he will come out and he will hang around with them for a little bit, but then the chaos ensues and he wants no part of it. But the three puppies are here. It's already Monday morning, or actually Monday afternoon now, 68 degrees. So it does get up to 71. The sun is nice. It's like partially cloudy. And of course the rain is gone now that the work week is here. My Armoire posted today. I love Armoire as a service. So fun to really get those unique pieces. I thought that my collection this time was uber perfect for work from home days as well as weekend. That's what I had picked and really enjoyed it. So please stop by and check it out. And for today's outfit, I have on a Loft dress that you're going to see in an upcoming video. Nice and easy, one and done. I got dressed quickly. Put it with these fun Dolce Vita sandals. Love these. And for jewelry, I have on the necklace my husband got me, my bracelet stack, and gold hoops. And I am ready for my day. All right. I think it might be time for lunch for the crew. Hope you're doing well. I'll catch you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday, time for outfit of the day. It is the end of the day. I'm just getting to this now. It's been a full day of work, a full day of puppy shenanigans. I feel like it's all starting to show on me, but we made it. It's been a cloudy day, 62 degrees, not really nice out, windy. The sun came out for a little bit, but it would go right back in. Yeah, so I'm really ready for the spring sunshine. That's what I'm ready for. We have little sparks of it, and then we have days without it. And let's see. For outfit of the day today, I did again one and done. It's been the easiest for me. I have a Loft dress on. I think this is several years old. Paired it with this awesome jacket because it was a little chilly this morning. I didn't feel like putting long sleeves on, although I probably could have. So I went with a short sleeve denim jacket. You're going to see this one. You're not going to see this one in my JB Stylebox because my stylist sent it to me after I had already done the video and opened the box. She was like, hey, saw this jacket, thought you would like it. And then she had sent a picture of it and asked me if I'd like to try it. I said yes. I opened the box and immediately loved it. So I'm keeping it. And then for shoes, just flip-flops today. These are by Dolce Vita. Took them on vacation with me. They're actually very comfortable. And then again, just hoop earrings, my bracelet stack, and that's my day. My outfit, my day. So the puppies are getting a puppy trainer, and she's coming today to get started with them. And while I was sitting here, Loki peed on the floor, so, and I just had him outside. So we're going to start with potty training, I think. We're also going to learn like their perimeter and learn come and walk on a leash. So the basics. So wish me luck, and I will catch you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday, time for outfit of the day. Thought I'd start with Dexter. He's being a good boy today. That was Willie that just flew by. Loki doesn't want to be left out. Oh my. Okay. Stop. Play nice. Can we play nice? No, we can't, huh? It is, 53 degrees to start the day, getting up to 68 today. And I've been enjoying some of the longer dresses, longer skirts lately since the weather has been all over the place. It could be warm, it could be cold. It's just all over the place. So today, chilly as we start the day. Then it'll probably warm up. Hey, Loki. And then it'll probably cool down again. So they're all fired up. It's morning, and this is their time to play. And it's a very rowdy play. It doesn't seem very kind, but they love it. All right, so for this outfit of the day, I selected, stop, a skirt from Dex. I got in a JB Stylebox, as well as a top. This is a elbow sleeve tee by Free People, also from a JB Stylebox. Since it's cool outside, I grabbed a jacket from Cabi. They're rowdy today. And for shoes, I have on these Vince Camuto slide-ons. Got those in a Stitch Fix. All right, I'm going to take the Wild Crew. And we've got to get to work. I will catch you. Hey everybody, it is Thursday, time for outfit of the day. I decided to not bring the puppies this time so we could have one quiet day, but although I can hear Loki starting to squawk because he knows I walked away from my desk chair. So they're in their crates, which the dog trainer has told me they need more time apart, having some reflection time, and then I'm going to take them outside. So we'll do this one without them, but they'll be back tomorrow. For today's outfit, I have on my current Elliott cargo pants, which I'm in love with, that I got in my latest Armoire. I have on a Loft tank, and then this cute BlankNYC jacket from a long time ago, Trendsend. Paired it with shoes I've had for a really long time too. These are by Halogen. I have these in several colors. They're the most comfortable sandals ever. And then for jewelry, I just have on my Louis necklace, and that was it today. I have gold hoops on. My Trendsend posted yesterday, and it was such a good one. In the end, I did end up just keeping all of it. I thought it was basics, neutrals, just perfect for my lifestyle, so I kept the whole box. I think in the entire time, I've been doing Trendsend for probably 5 years now, might be a little bit longer, and I think this is only the second time I've ever kept everything. I can remember one other time. All right, tomorrow is Friday. I will see you then. Hey everybody, it is Friday and time for outfit of the day. So it is 48 degrees out right now. It's supposed to get up to 60, lots of clouds. So hopefully it does warm up and the sun comes out. The puppers are being super quiet right now because I gave them all sticks. These are called, I think they're called kebabs, something like that. So they eat all the little treat off the end, and then they tend to chew on the rest of it. Whenever we got Dexter, the people who we got him from had made a little care package for him. It had dog food, and it had these kebabs in it and some other dog treats. So he had stuff to go. And one day when they were misbehaving, I gave them all a stick, and all of a sudden silence, just like right now, and they were all happy. Now they always want each other's sticks, but right now they're all enjoying their own separate sticks, so that is really good. So I told my husband, please go buy these, please. And they work. We also picked up some bully sticks, which someone on one of you had recommended to me, and they love those as well. So we just have to stay on it. But this leads to my Friday funny when we don't stay on it. the mischief that ensues. And Willie tends to be the one that is leading the mischief. And they love shoes. So we have many victims. Many victims. Started with my son's Ugg slippers that he loved. You could wear them outside, but they were like a slip-on shoe that he would wear outside when he wanted to run out to, run the dogs or go to his truck or something. He typically didn't wear them away from the home, but he loved them and they were super comfortable and they were a Christmas gift. Destroyed, beyond destruction, like destroyed. Then they found a pair of Hey Dudes. I think these are my husband's. This is what they look like now. And he was wearing these up until this happened. Then they started on my very favorite Sanuks. Can't buy this color combo anymore. Too late. I wear these for everything. They've been on many trips with me. They're the most comfortable shoe that I wear. I pick them all the time. They have eaten those. Pretty good. But they weren't done. Not done yet. Then they got into my closet when they weren't supposed to, because they do have a gate in front of it. So apparently they joined forces, pushed that gate open, and went after my Dolce Vitas that you all know that I love, and decided to chew those up. Now these I'm going to try to replace, but yes, that was very, very distressing. Not done yet though. Then they found these. And did quite a number to them before I found them. It's one of those moments where you're like, oh no, the puppies are too quiet. And this is what I found. Yep. So we're up to, let's see, I just showed you 4 pair plus my son's is 5. There might be one other pair I haven't showed. So we've lost at least six shoes. 6 shoes, which really means we're, 6 pairs of shoes, right? All done. And look at their angelic little faces, huh? Look at Loki's angelic little face. I don't know if you can see. Can you see? Dexter's hiding, I think, at the end of the couch. Not sure you can see him. And Willie is hiding here underneath the camera because they're happy with their sticks. Dexter, you want to show your stick? Dexter? No, he's happy. There, maybe you can see him peeking out. There he is. All right, let's get to outfit of the day. So for outfit of the day today, I have on an Evereve Trendsend outfit, so all from Trendsend. I have on page denim, and these have holes in them, and we're going to talk about holy jeans in just a minute, or distressed jeans. Plus an Evereve tank and an Evereve jacket. Love this one. The pants and the jacket came from my most recent Trendsend. I think this one came 1 or 2 Trendsends ago. For shoes, I decided to pop a color. How about these from Halogen? So they match the blue I wore yesterday. Decided to pop pink today. I almost went with yellow, then I decided to go with pink. And then I have on the necklace that I also just got in, this is the Goriana, I believe, that I just got in my latest Trendsend. Paired it with my new Louis necklace, and then of course my bracelet stack. So I know every time I show distressed jeans with holes in the knees, people sometimes love them and sometimes hate them, and that's okay, right? That's the same for every style, I believe. But I keep getting the question, aren't distressed jeans or holy jeans out of style? The answer is absolutely not. Now, first I will say, you should wear whatever you like, regardless of whether it's in style or out of style, because if you wear something and you feel good in it, you're in style. I just believe in that. Don't worry so much about the hottest trends, although we all like to be on trend, but wear what makes you feel good. I'm going to put an article down below from In Style magazine, because I don't want you to take my word for it, whether, distressed jeans are in or out. But I'll put that link down below in case you would like to check it out. It talks about distressed jeans in 2025 and how much they're making an impact and how they were never really out of style, but they are making a bigger impact here in 2025. So I think that's why you're seeing more of the brands come out with the holy jeans. In the article, they do absolutely show holes in the knees and other forms of distressing. So if you care or you're interested in this topic, I'll just put that link down below so you guys can check that article out. There is a reason why I like holy jeans specifically, or distressed jeans. And it means to me when I wear them that I am not going in the office today. Today should be not so stressful. It's going to be a calmer day. And it makes me feel very relaxed. And it just feels good to me. So, and the reason for that is I can wear jeans to work. You guys have seen me in the mornings before I'm headed into the office. But I generally always dress up on top, and I'm not allowed to wear distressed or holey jeans to work, which makes sense, right? That makes perfect sense. But when I'm working from home, it's Friday or it's the weekend, things are a little bit more relaxed, and I can break out those jeans that are a little bit more reckless, right? Because I'm not going to be in the office. So for me, I love holey jeans. So I know some of you really get very feel very strongly about it, and I understand, and you should not add them to your wardrobe, but I just wanted to clarify why I like them, and also whether they were in style or out of style. All right, so I think that is a wrap on Friday, and I will catch you tomorrow with one more outfit. Hey everybody, it is Saturday and time for final outfit of the day. The puppy craziness continues. It is just before 7 in the morning. I have a hair appointment I'm trying to get to, but it's been a crazy morning. And Loki is the leader of the pack now when it comes to noise and creating chaos. Usually it's Willie. It's never Dexter, or I should say it's very rarely Dexter. Let's see, it is only 39 degrees outside. I'm hoping I didn't kill my plants. I have all of my tropical plants out, thinking it wasn't going to drop below 40 again this year, but apparently I was wrong, so we'll see how that goes. It's supposed to get up to 70 and be like full sun today, so it is going to get nice. And my Wantable mom mode edit posted today. It was such a good one, and I got 9 items. So I love that they're doing that. So you have options, because you typically don't love every single piece. It's rare, right? Every once in a while. So I love that they have options. You want it down, now you want back up again. Show everybody how bad you are so they know. Show them. So I kept 5 so I could get the 20% off. If I kept online, I would have got 30, but it didn't work out. So let's see. I kept the high-rise midi short by Evereve. I kept the one pair of jeans, the Tracy straight leg, that were not distressed. I returned the distressed ones. I kept the Vigos Bermuda short. I love those. I kept the Kate Ichi blazer. I know I probably don't need another one, but I kept it. And I kept the Z Supply First Date cute little cherry sweatshirt. And of course, I kept the Sycamore striped sweater vest in Sea Salt by Z Supply, which I loved it. Favorite thing in the whole box. I love that one. So I kept 5. All right, and for today's outfit to close out this week, as I said, it's chilly this morning, but going to warm up, so I don't know if I'll keep this on all day, but I am headed to a hair appointment, so I am covered up. I have on joggers by Micah from Wantable. I am not sure if we've gotten to that box yet or not, so I may be wearing them in advance. I have on a Z Supply tee. I love this one. You've not seen this yet. It's in a front door fashion coming up in a week or so at least. Might be a couple weeks. I do work 2 weeks ahead, especially because I'll be traveling all next week. And then this jacket is cut from the cloth from a long time ago, Trendsend. My shoes are these fun Dolce Vitas you've seen before. Love these. And for jewelry, I just put on my Louis necklace, my bracelet stack, and my hoops, and I'm off. And that's a wrap. That's a wrap on outfit of the day for this week. What was your favorites? I will list all of them down below. If I can link directly to an item, I will. Many come from boxes, so I'll link to all the boxes. And please hit like and subscribe so you can keep up with all the puppy pandemonium. All right. I'll catch you later. Bye, everybody.